Hello, this is Billy Core from the Carolina Circle Mall Wiki. Today is Thursday, March the 30th of 2017, and I'm here with another update to the Packard Bell Sleeper. We're going to be adding another part to it today. First of all, I should probably mention that this has a brand new motherboard in it. You see, at the very end of January, the Gigabyte B75M-D3H motherboard that was in here completely died on me. I do not know exactly what happened to it. I just turned it on one day, would not post at all. I troubleshooted it all I could, tried different memory, and simplified the configuration. I did everything, but it just would not. It would not post at all. So I discovered that the motherboard was still under warranty from Gigabyte, so I sent it in for an RMA, and a few weeks ago I got a replacement motherboard for it, exact same model, threw it in, works just fine now. I haven't had any trouble ever since. Sorry I didn't make a video about that, but when I got the motherboard I was kind of on edge trying to get it to work, and I didn't want to have to make a video while doing it, because that would just distract me. But anyway, on to the purpose of today's video. I am going to be adding front USB 3.0 ports to the front of this computer, because obviously when Packard Bell was building computers in the mid-90s during the Windows 95 era, there was no such thing as USB, much less front panel USB, so this case here has no provisions for such a thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this adapter I got off eBay. I just got it in the mail a while ago. Has two front USB 3.0 headers. We're going to pop it into this 5 1/4 inch drive bay adapter and put it down here above the floppy drive, which works now, by the way. I actually got the USB adapter thanks to my good friend MS Gill here on YouTube, and it's working just fine. But anyway, we've got to do one thing to it though. Obviously this is a much different color from what the actual computer is. This is black, that's white, and due to my OCD, undiagnosed OCD that is, I can't stand for that, and unfortunately there's no such thing as a white one of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out back, use this can of beige spray paint, and fix it up to make it match that computer. Now before we do that, I want to take the actual USB ports out of it, because we do not want to paint those. Once again, I'm tripodless, I'm sorry. Take my screwdriver here. Okay, that's one. And that's two. And the actual ports have been liberated, leaving us just with the casing, which we are going to take out back and spray paint. Okay, we're back. Got newspaper down, a couple things here to weigh it down so it doesn't flop all over the place. Slight change of plans. I'm actually going to put some primer on it first, just to help the actual paint stick better. Shake it up real good. And a few light coats. Okay, we'll see See how that looks. Okay, touched the primer up just a little bit. I've got to let this dry for a little while, and I've got to run out and do some errands, and when we come back we'll see if it's dry, and then we'll apply the actual paint itself. Okay, it's been about an hour or so. See if the primer's dried. I'm pretty sure it has. Yeah, that's good. It's been a little bit breezy today, so that helped it. Well, now on to the important part, and that is the actual paint. I don't know why I was talking like that. But hopefully this will match the case well enough. Gotta be sure I don't point it at my eyes. That would be quite a bit of a disaster. So let's go ahead and get to work. Probably using too much, but oh well. Okay, that's good enough. Let's get a look at it. We'll let it dry for a little while, come back and see how it looks. Alright, it's been a few hours now, paint's dried. This is the final result. Not exactly perfect. I think I applied too much and put too much on at once. But you really can't notice the imperfections unless you look right up close at it. There's the back. But who cares about that? No one will see it. But alright, let's go ahead and put the ports back in. Again, sorry for the lack of tripod. Okay, let's screw it back into place. There we go. Still a little bit sticky, the paint that is, but there we are. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this into the computer. I think I'll do it off camera this time, just spare you the details, make it a little bit easier on myself, but I will resume in a moment. Alright, took a little while to get things sorted out, but we have front USB now, and that is really cool. So the colors don't exactly match with the rest of the case, but it's still pretty close and looks a lot more original than black would have. So next thing we need to do is obviously test them. I got my flash drive here. Go ahead and stick it into the USB port right here. Heard the sound. And voila. There it is right there. Might as well test the other one. Works just fine. So yeah, that was definitely a success, and maybe other than a few little tweaks here and there, I think this computer is mostly done now. It took a couple of months, but we're ready to go. So ladies and gentlemen, the Packard Bell Sleeper. So until next time, this is Billy Core. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The addresses are located in the bottom right corner. Until next time, this is Billy Core signing off.